Hello, hello, and welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. Good times ahead, I hope, I don't know. I don't know, I was supposed to say something in this intro, but I'm gonna do it this way. We're gonna have one of the biggest advancements and mistakes and stuff since the beginning of time, and expect the unexpected. Expect us not to have. Why the hell is this? Okay. We are doing a huge railroad renovation. You will see here that I did a lot of messy stuff that we'll see how it's going to affect us. I have no idea, but we will see. I see here we have some issues with vehicles getting to here. That doesn't look like... what the freaking hell is... Oh, I hate this game sometimes. Literally George Bush was preventing us to get in here, and now it's not. Okay, here we go. Hello, and welcome back to Oolykee Gaming. Welcome back to another episode of the Captain of Industry. A couple of things we have happening. I'm trying to redirect the traffic not to go uphill here, even though uphill is where the hydrogen is, and we already have a hydrogen train delivering. I don't know if I showed you this in the last episode, but it's been quite a few hours of gameplay before... I'm recording this. We have a hydrogen train coming here behind the bauxite train, delivering hydrogen here and then going on its merry way. There are two huge, maybe even three, but two mine processing plants with three resources: limestone, coal and bauxite, which we are doing our best to exploit those resources. It's a very tight area here. We are still dumping some soil and dirt in the water, and doing as we should to develop this island. I don't know what's future going to bring, but we're gonna be doing a lot of big stuff. Like, for example, we're gonna put in operation our part collection construction industry. I'm gonna try to explain in a little bit more detail what this is. This is 5 materials that are needed for the construction parts, and this is storage for 4 construction parts. Everything is the same as we have it already, just with bigger storages and elsewhere moved out of the way. Why did I do that? Is because we need bigger storages. It's not about construction of stuff, it's about having all the materials readily available, and then once we do a construction like nuclear power plant, which is the second big thing that's gonna happen in this episode, once we have this constructed, we should continue and produce electricity probably only by breeder reactors, but again, we'll see as we go. Okay, so what I'm doing here is just gonna do a little bit investigation where the resources are in this direction. Yeah, I'm gonna stop mining. I'm gonna try to be more precise in our mining practices. We'll see how everything goes in this direction. I'll see where the resources are here, because this is just too polluted, too much weird stuff in this iron source here. So I'm gonna try to I'll get this out of the way, and then we'll see how it's gonna go. Anyway, we have a low supply of sugar. That is unfortunate. I did put another sugar refinery in operation, and now it's sugar cane problem. I had a little bit of a supply problem with sugar cane, which should not be the case anymore, because of the conveyor belt side. They miscalculated how much it's like. This is 60, 60, 60, 60, and that would be 240, and conveyor belt delivering sugar cane here was only 200 size. So when we put last 3 sugar refineries in operation, it couldn't deliver enough materials. That was coffee on my part. The big thing here with the railroads, by the way, all of the railroads going north from here will be removed shortly. This is not going to be the way for trains to go anymore. This is a steep railroad. We can start actually with this. This is the one that I needed to fix, because I think I thought I fixed it, but looks like I didn't. There's an issue over here. I think it's because it's so messy over here, I didn't see where anything is. So let's see what the problem is here with the railroad. If I go this way, I am really not sure if I can even fix this. What if I do this? Okay. What about... Okay, so this is one railroad. This one is not working because it's... please don't tell me that there's a problem. Yeah, this is going to be a problem. I think like this. So you can see here that the rails are connected in a different way. Let me try this. Let's try to remove... It's this one here. Let's try to remove this one. Yeah, and I'm gonna have to reconnect it again. So this is going to remove a notification. Oh my god, this is another one here. Okay, let's remove this. And now from here, this one is going in this direction and... Oh, okay. So you're fine with this? Okay, who's preventing you from going further? This guy? Probably this guy. Okay, let's leave it alone. Let's see how it works. This train, I made a railroad over here with a less steep incline, so all of this should work a little bit smoother. Distances could be a little bit longer, but I don't care. I'm just gonna resolve this problem with adding more trains, because I bet that everybody wants that. So if you don't, well, your problem, you're gonna get it anyway. We have this, and I am... You see this? This is a problem. Ah, you see this? This is the... okay, let's try this. Okay, now it looks fine. Previously, maybe it was just direction change that I should have done. Now it should have entrance to this area, and this is the only purpose of this is to deliver the rocks over here. Let me just check you. Oh. It's paused. Where is the train? Uh-oh. Is it already gone that far? No, what happened to the train? Oh. Why the hell are you going here? Okay, so I don't get it. Why? Because I'm gonna destroy this now, and I thought that he's gonna... He thought that this is even closer. Well, let's see the electrification as well. Electrification should be fine. Why is this not being finished? Come on, finish it. Why is this one not affected by the overpasses? Because these are so far between that it should have been parallel without affecting each other, but it starts to affect each other here, and this one are affected by other rails, not these ones. And why is there still... oh, okay. Look. The iron train is coming this way, all the way around. That's great. Before they were going this way, which was actually faster than now, but it won't be once the bridge here is done, which we didn't even start building. So yeah, take that as you wish. I can do that. I can start this, like unpausing these guys. I don't see the problem with this. We only have one vehicle doing this. I hope that they have access to the sea here, but I'm pretty happy with the railroad, how it looks over here on these bridges. So if they build all of this, I'm gonna be happy. This is gonna be quite scenic route. Usually I would recommend never ever in real life, no, don't separate your bodies of water with the road infrastructure, not railroad, road infrastructure from the rest of the world, so bear that in mind. Oh, not enough Unity. Okay, yeah, we used a lot of Unity, that's fine. Never separate your bodies of water from the... Why is this guy... Okay, because they still have an option, that's why they're going this. Well, by the way, there's no railroad here. This is all done. The only railroad exists here is to get the hydrogen. Everything here now is open. We don't have a road here anymore. They can go parallel. I think they should be able to go parallel to this. Let me see how the... Yeah, oh, right. Sure, I'll do this. For sure. For sure. Here we go. Mine control tower. L. There we go. Resources are there. I'm gonna go in that direction. Let's go in this direction and this direction. I want to just get as much as I can from here. This looks like there's nothing here below this, and I don't want to continue mining this, but I will give them well, we'll see how much down this is gonna go anyway. Okay, so nuclear power plant, we have delivery problems. As you can see here, we are missing the concrete slabs, even if we had a bigger storage here, which probably I would recommend if you're starting this from the beginning, and when I start this again, as soon as you get bigger storages, start using them as soon as possible. Okay, that being said, do we have, I don't know where my fat ass is, the vehicle that is delivering these construction parts, amphibious vehicle. I think they're done building this. Rest of the bridge here can be finished by Unity, which we don't have now because I used it to build all this railroad. Yeah, just FYI. Everything else actually is functioning don't say it. Surprisingly good. Everything is seems like it's functioning. That's the best I can say. I'm getting a little bit of antibiotics problem here. Currently it's working at 100%, so waiting for products. Sugar. Oh, honey. Yeah, mining designations. Oh, we are running out of copper here, and this is the mine that I will definitely not miss. Okay, so we have a problem. Okay, I'm gonna do this first. There we go. There we go. Low supply of water. This is still like an ongoing issue because I redirected excess water for some reason. For a little while we had excess water here, and my steam turbines were getting stuck because they couldn't get rid of steam, because they couldn't get rid of water, because there was too much water. So I redirected water to go back here, and then only use excess water from here that is has a priority input of recycling back. But now looks for some reason that we have lack of water, excess water, lack of water, excess water. I have no idea what this is related to. I will just say that we have a couple of other problems here. That would be the scrubbing here. One of them works at almost 100%, and it was working at 100%, which didn't make the other one work. I have two pipes. We still have... Okay, the problem here is that this can deliver 900 pollution. It can deliver 900 pollution, and these two guys can handle more than 900 pollution, so it wasn't a 960, so it wasn't working at 100%. And then I actually connected a separate pipe of pollution that would be in this incineration plant directly to one of the scrubbers. But now we have excess pollution. We had not enough processing because both of them were working even less efficient, which made this chimney pollute our environment even further. But now what's happening is that I did connect it to the same gathering point, but only one pipe goes in here, so the problem is the same as before. These two guys don't work at 100%. Let me see if I'm missing something here. Oh, my bad, mea culpa. We do have two pollutions. One of them is from the steel mill. Part of the steel mill is giving us pollution to be processed, and I think that I think they are both being connected. No. One of them is connected directly to the scrubber here, which is 71%. The other one can be over 100%. So this is a mess. So I'm gonna have to redo the scrubber setup and stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna do and where, but I'm definitely looking looking into moving CO2 and pollution scrubbing from here, and that would give us some free space to move the railroads or to create additional railroad tracks, potentially better ones. You know, it's kind of sad that I did gold production over here, and then after I was done with the gold production, sorry, I did the gold production train, and once I was done with that, you know, we depleted the gold mine, and we decided to build a gold processing here because the only gold that we get these days is from the imports. So yeah, it is what it is. For now, I'm gonna be dealing. Oh, do we have? Oh, we have a big truck delivery here, so I can do. Let's see here. I have both small and big trucks delivering this. Let me just see. That's this one, right? Yeah, that's the one, but it doesn't show the big storage. Ah, it does show this one. There we go. Remove this. The only big vehicles are allowed here, so you know, usually I do that, and smaller vehicles need to go to the other islands. Mine control tower. We can continue mining the. We can control mining the this beautiful island. Unfortunately, I didn't want to do that, but I am. We were lacking some limestone, and we don't anymore, but the damage is done already. Might as well go for the resource. And this is my excuse. What is yours for destroying the environment? Unfortunately. Okay. Let's go a little bit. Did I make a good decision here? Yes. We have a lot of bauxite, so let's do a little bit of ramp building here. So that's great. Low supply of wood. Again, this is the absolute reason why I'm doing all of this, is to get this get all of this delivered. I'm gonna get this delivered en masse to our new setup that we have here. So we're gonna have to have steel, we're gonna have to have wood, we're gonna have to have, was it glass? The first one is, no, it's steel, wood, and concrete. I need to build a concrete rail. I need to build something concrete. Knee slapper. I think, I want to say I think we can build it here, but we can't. This is not going to work for us. Why is this blue? I forgot why this is blue. Anyway, what I will have to monitor here is... oh, look, this train is coming in this direction. What I'm going to have to monitor here... Whoa, what the hell is this? Why is there an... Oh, that's the... No, what the hell is this? They still think this is the faster one. Yeah, I'm gonna have to convince them otherwise. They're still coming this way. This is the... Oh, dear God. They're coming this way, taking this loop, and then going in this direction. Do they have problem with this? Maybe they do. I'm gonna just let one of these trains pass. This bauxite, this depleted uranium train. Did I even... I didn't even make the sign here. Depleted uranium. I want to destroy the bridge here, going right, so... And then destroy the one going left, so... Well, actually, the left... I don't... the right one, I don't... you know what, let's just go for it. And this depleted uranium train is not having fun. Oh my God, did I just do this? Which train cannot find destination? That's the... Okay, I see... Why can't you take the... You're going here, okay. Oh, you're going all the way there. Okay, let's see the tracks that you're taking. What is your problem? From here, that would be the left-hand side. Doesn't have connect... Oh my God, what the hell is this? Tracks overview. And these are... Oh no, so it is. Okay, so... let's see what the next problem is. Okay, so you have access to the right-hand side from here, right-hand side track, so you should be able to go here. Ooh. Ah, right, I was like, why is this not connected? No, it is. It's just not connected to here. This is fine, this is fine. And there we go. That's the problem. That's the current problem. We'll see how much further this is going to go. So, there we go. Okay, hopefully you're gonna have a nice time. Come on, oh, now they're queuing up here. Oh, even more. And all of them, by the way, all of them are gonna be doing a loop over here because I think it's because of this now that it has been fixed, but hopefully it's gonna be fixed more after they all pass. So, yeah. Off you go, I guess. Rocks are definitely gonna do the loop. Oh, cool. This one is off. Great. If this is done, then this can be done as well, and this one also, because there's no more access to this. So at least it's gonna be cleaner here. We're gonna see everything clean. Oh my dear! Oh, right, that's fine. This is what's. Well, I was like, they're going to where the rocks are. No, that's fine. Let's remove all of you. Okay, so why didn't you go? Ah, right, this needs to go the whole loop. Come on, you move. You pass so I can destroy the bridge and nobody else goes this way. And then let's see if we have any other problems here. Okay, perfect. It's giving the limestone pass. Okay, that should be the last train. Ta-da! There we go. So this rail here now, it's only for hydrogen, and we'll see. I mean, like, obviously there's gonna be more stuff from here. Like, I can get the ammonia transferred from here, which shouldn't be a big problem. Especially, we'll see what we're gonna do with oil, but yeah, this could be a thing. Priorities. Maybe it would be cool if we can allow this to be a main railroad line. I think all of this is working very very well. Okay, we have a mining problem here. Uranium is getting full-ish, so we can start going uphill. Uphill is this. By the way, we are connecting this to that. This is going to be a ramp going up, but every time they touch the hillside, the mountainside here, this happens. But that's fine. And these guys, for some reason, are still not being emptied because... rocks, yeah, of course. There's a lot of rocks. Oh, but they should be able to be emptied. I know. Boom. There we go. The rock problem here, because I built a new mining tower, and when I assigned vehicles, this had only assigned only, with which actually... Oh, do I have the... yeah, I do. Yeah, only assigned, and these were not assigned to this mining anymore. They are actually free ones that are supposed to be dumping the rocks. They're not. Looks like we have only one truck dumping the rocks now that I allowed other trucks to unload their loads here, so that's gonna be much better. Okay, bauxite. Bauxite is full. Don't touch the bauxite. Don't touch my circles. Let's go here. And go in this direction, and here I think I'm gonna go like this. Well, a little bit of rock. And let me see, rock and roll. Do we have space here? They have a lot of space here. What I would like to do actually is this as well. There we go. Do it like this because we're gonna need a little bit of a connection in this side. And there we go. Low supply of uranium, we're on it. High supply of salt. Well, this is absolutely a must to be emptied because this is connected to nuclear power plants. Well, soon. Hopefully it's not gonna be soon. Soon it's not going to be the case. You can see a couple of hydrogen trains, which I'm really looking forward to dismantling. This one is doing this, and this is running low on copper. Well, hydrogen train, but that is processing copper. I'm going to be a little bit more, because I have a hard time separating myself from these bad boys. I'm going to be doing this. I'm going to try to do this way, just to get this greenery out of here. Greenery meaning copper. I guess this should be it. Okay, so go for this, and then we're gonna just scrape off the copper from there. There's barely any copper in here, and all these storages are empty. Oh, we have a lot of soil. Yeah. That's nice. That's nice. The soil is good. Soil is great. So I'm gonna give them more greenery. We can do some greenery here, but this I'm gonna have to do some thinking how to put the rocks over here. Oh, and this as well. Well, when this excavator is done, I'm gonna level some areas here, because this is a path for the new railroad line that is probably gonna be connected here to this, and then that's gonna be our main supply line for the uranium, trees, not sand anymore, and future maybe iron. I'm not sure what they're gonna do here. We have asteroids now, so I'm gonna try to preserve as much as possible the scenery that was developed by developers and future, hopefully, modders. So yeah, I would just like to preserve as much as possible. Anyway, so we have the next mining thing. Okay, so this project here is the replacement railroad. What the hell is a replacement railroad? I want to build a new railroad going in this direction. We just need to remove some of this hillside from here, and then put the rail tracks in here. I need to clear a passage so we can work around the railroads. So we're gonna rebuild this monstrosity that I built, and it's gonna be nice and tidy, and with a little bit with less ascent, descent, and all that good stuff. Okay, so this is all done. So one more time from the beginning. Missing glass, that will be for research. What's with glass? Glass is full. That's distribution problem. Looks like we are, for some reason, extremely busy. I wouldn't be surprised that that's due to my stupidity of cutting these passages for them, because now vehicles going from here to copper, well, we can build an overpass here, I guess. That's gonna look fugly though. I can play... Let me just check that we have rockets. Oh, we don't have rockets. Oh, boy, red flag, red flag. Red flag. Wait. They are building it. Okay. These. Okay, so I was focusing on this just before I started this episode. I was focusing on this hard, but unfortunately I'm failing here. I need to optimize my copper production. The problem that I think we have here is that I literally need to extend... Oh, that's not the problem. Output is full. Okay, so what's the problem here then? Oh, by the way, I put another one of these in production, and then still copper is not being delivered in good enough quantities here. I see the problem here. I can do that. Coffee. Oh yeah. This guy needs 96, and this was connected only 60 because this is also helping supply in this direction. Okay, at least this is now going to work more, but the problem here is we have enough of these electronics. Perfect, this is exactly what we wanted. And then we're coming here. Let's see how these guys are doing. These guys are working like crazy, like Singerica, like Singer sewing machine. These guys are making washing machines. This is working better than good, better than enough. And then next stop would be these guys here. Perfect. You can see 100%, 100%, 100%. Oh, whoa. Okay, so this is obviously the problem. The problem is that we need more of these, producing these electronics 2, right? This is electronics 2, yeah. So we need more of these. So I'm gonna have to put one of these in operation. So we're gonna have to upgrade it, and I think we're gonna have to... That's it. Upgrade it. Ooh. Not enough products. Oh, right. We're in process of, and I can, in the meantime, I can put it in operation. They can do this on their own. Let me just check 24. This is definitely going to have to be upgraded. We have parts for this. So this is going to be 24, 24, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 100. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it's under 200, so this conveyor belt is justified. Perfect. Nuclear power plant. Ta-da! We're done. Kinda, because I still need one of these finished, and that's gonna be hopefully very shortly. This should be enough. By the way, you can see here says not enough fuel. That's because these guys are now working overtime to fill it with fuel. Perfect. And then once it's full of fuel, which is going to be supplied by this, this is going to be working at 100%. Let me just check. I need to make sure that I have these notifications here, that this is notifying me if it's under 50%. Press it, press it, press it. Yeah, so we need to finish this before I put it in operation. But I think I'm gonna have to really balance this out, because I don't think this is looking good. Oh, look at this, is beautiful. They're actually filling the old beach mine. Let's call it like that. Okay, mine control tower designations to mine. That would be iron. Yeah, that's gonna be a lot of attention. Well, actually, I probably should focus on this a bit better. No, this train is full, I guess. No, it's full. It's full, and it's not moving. That means that the iron is looking good. Here, I'm gonna try to start leveling this off. Yeah, this is perfect. So let's do it this way. This direction, hillside, and this direction. So this is the new normal, new level that I'm building over here. Whoa, that's... at least it pushed them down, it didn't lift them up. Anyway, that's it. And then we had another mining designation. That would be the main copper source. So we're gonna go for that as well. Do I want to go in this direction? Actually, I do. Let's go like this, like this, like this. And here... and then just go in this direction. I'll go for this copper here later on. Okay, we have one more mine. That would be the limestone mine. I'm actually gonna finish my... oh, no. No, you won't. But definitely that's a sign that I need to go in this direction. Let's see... this says that it's gone. I actually trust you. I trust you that this is gone. I'm gonna go for this piece and be done with this. And here, I think I'm just gonna go in this direction, and that's it. So next stop is doing a next level here, and next level here. And whatever, do it this way. Okay, another mine? No. From the beginning. Right, let's see how... why is everybody so busy? What the hell is happening here? Zones, default zone, busy, 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 everybody's busy. Assigned to buildings, not busy. I will not unassign them from buildings. I will create more opportunity for them to cut short the trips. So something like this. Do we have Unity? We have Unity. Let's do this. How far can you go in this direction? I think that's it. This way and this way. This needs to be built because this is blocking the whole... oh, right, and this as well. There we go. Okay, and then we're gonna need the actual passage, overpass. Yeah, thank God this is allowing me to build here, because it's... oh, it's blocking it now. Blocking the trucks, so I just made a boo-boo. Let me see this. What are you saying here? Yeah, you're blocked, that's fine. I'll play around with this. I'm not saying that this is going to work, but let's try it this way. Oh, that doesn't look too bad. Yay! This does look bad, but I think I'm gonna leave it alone. I'm probably gonna build asphalt. Well, I won't asphalt anything, but oh, more mining. Bauxite, a little bit on the low side. Ha! You see what I did? Rhyme Blasta. That would be my rapper name. I don't know. I'm just... I grew up listening to hip-hop as well, so I'm just making fun of that part of my life. Uranium is looking decent, I guess. One more layer. We can do a little bit of mixture. I know that we did... Oh my god, they are depleting this quite well, quite well. Oh, and the yellow cake is plentiful. The yellow cake is something that we're gonna have to focus eventually. Okay, this is pretty much filling up. Oh yeah, that's because of the busyness. I'm kind of hoping that this is going to be resolved, but not sure, not sure, for sure. Where are you going there? Oh, you're getting the manufactured sand. Really? Where is that going? Okay. Is that for filters? I didn't know the filters can be made from manufactured sand. That's nice. This is also something that I should... Whoa. Why don't they have connections? Is it the big trucks? Ah, yeah, these guys are not busy enough. They want to deliver this. Excuse me. They cannot cross the bridge, so that's the problem. I think this might help it, I guess. No, it's not. So they don't want to come there. No, that's fine. I don't want to deal with this now. Okay, so let's go from the beginning. Papers missing. That's a transport. Well, a lot of it is transport. Low wood supply, transport problem. Oh, did we already build the... Yes, we did. Okay, so let's start. Nuclear power plant. You are ready to rumble. So what is gonna happen here? They're gonna be recycling the fuel. Most of the fuel is being recycled here. So the fuel is being supplied initially by the enriched uranium 20%. Yes, that would be 4. That would be for both of these. First core can work on that. The rest of it is self-enriching through the reprocessing plant, where it's removed the fission product or depleted or spent nuclear fuel is being removed from because we have spent nuclear fuel. Spent fuel and spent MOX. I probably should use it as a fission product. This is something that we cannot process anymore into anything. It just needs to fizzle out. I call it fizzle out, just to cool down and stop being radioactive. This takes 100 years to achieve this, and it's being done in some of the storages that I already have. You will see in some of these areas we have enormous amount of these materials. In some of them are actually a little bit less, so I could redirect some of these materials there. So I will start doing slowly this. Maybe that's not... you know what, I don't care. I wanted to say maybe it's not a good time to start this now because it's busy, but I don't care. Let them do it now. So they're going to deliver some materials here with trucks. Oh, by the way, I built another one of these shredders because this, especially this guy here, is just constantly filling. Like, this is retired waste, is full, and I can't shred fast enough. So that's good. That's good. We just need to get rid of it. I don't know what happens with the waste that is not here. I think once it's removed, then you know, then we can get access to new waste. The new fission product is being removed. Let me see. This is 1032. Okay, so when are you going to get lower? Here we go. 3 more now. Because I can see the conveyor belt moving. And but this is moving much slower. That's fine, whatever. Okay, so this is we're shredding this, recyclables, and then recyclables are, I think all of them, I think this is the only place they can be dumped, recyclables, and they just dump it here and it's recycled into everything else. This is a still mess, but I'm untangling this. Okay, I'm talking too much. This is already 40 minutes into this video. I was supposed to start delivering materials here, which is really not a problem. The materials that I can deliver now would be wood, because it's produced off site. The second thing is metal or steel. Steel is right here. We have a lot of it, so Is connected to this storage, so this is ready to be delivered. The problem that I have with this is procrastination, and I'm not kidding. That's the main problem. I don't want to deliver steel because I don't know how much steel I'm gonna need. What does that mean? I mean, like, it says how much you need. Says here that you need 48 steel, and 48 steel, that's 96, and then we need 24 and 24, that's another 48, 96, and that would be 144 steel. 144 steel per minute is gonna consume this, and it's gonna be quite a while you know, the supply of this. So just FYI. I know how much it is, but how many trains will I need to go from here to there to deliver this, and which trains to use? This is another good, I would like to think it's a good question, but I noticed something. Was it with this oil train? No, the hydrogen train. I noticed something with hydrogen train. Let me see if I can catch it. Hydrogen is here, not here, and then hydrogen is over here, and I totally have no idea where my... Ah, here we go. So this guy is running now at 48 kilometers per hour. Let's go to the train design bureau. The problem with the trains is this. If I go with electric trains, which I will, and let's say we're going to be delivering this. Look at the speeds here. Flat, 1, 2, perfect. Backwards is important as well. And then when you get boom here, this is 5, and then this, this is significant, because I will have my trains go backwards. I'm thinking that I can do it, which is not remove, flip, F. It doesn't matter, this is gonna be fine, but this is taking additional space. So do I go with these, which is gonna look much nicer? And how much, what's your capacity? 700. It's gonna take them more than 1 minute to get there and back, so this is not enough. Steel is gonna be the most used material to produce construction materials, so yeah. Anyway, so this is what we're talking about, with or without locomotive. But if I go for big ones are gonna look fugly, I think. They can deliver a significant amount of... Actually, this is not bad. How much is it? What's the length of this train? This is 50. I think this is going to be enough. Yeah, it just them moving backwards is gonna look ugly. Okay, I'm gonna start with this. This is 2000 steel. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna build this, and this is gonna be boom. I don't have the unity, but I have all the materials, so I'm gonna just in the meantime put a new line. That's gonna be delivery of steel. This is the most important one, so delivery of steel here. Please wait until full, and then add a second stop will be deliver it. I think the first one here is gonna be enough, and just make sure that you're empty, and that's it. This is your life now. 2000 materials, that's a lot. That's a lot to produce, but even more to, you know, unload. So this station here, I think it's gonna be long enough to unload everything. The speed of unload is going to be a big problem. I think I should have thought of this better. I mean, I still can. I just don't know how this is going to work. I need to make sure that this is a failure. So I'm doing this knowing that might not be the fast enough. Because I want it unloaded as soon as possible, so this could be a bottleneck. Yeah, anyway. You know this by me trying to do these things. Where's the best example? Best example is these guys, for example. This is how I believe the train stations and the delivery needs to be set up. That this is the best way of doing this, and this is the fastest unloading possible, as far as I know. Maybe if it's directly connected, and this is where this brings me to the next point. This is possible here. I think this is possible. If I connect it directly, I don't know how fast this will work. How fast the materials from this train are going to be put in the storage that is connected like this. I will test it at one point, but this is not today. Not today. So yeah, this is what I'm experimenting with now. So we have a copper situation here. Fine. Let's go with mining. Let's remove you. This is still causing problems. Still wants to be green. Stop that nonsense. Nobody's green around here. Only nuclear. Which brings me to another failure of my promises to you. Is I told you that we're gonna have nuclear trains, and we still didn't have nuclear trains. Let's do it this way. Yeah, that's fine. You do you. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. There we go. That's a problem. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. Shut it down. Shut it down. What is the problem here? Steam cannot go anywhere. Steam is going in here and then all the way here. I can see it going. Okay, what's with you? Waiting for oh boy, boy, boy. Yeah. Yeah, I forgot about these. Okay, how many people will die due to this mistake? I'm shutting everything down, so... but this is still cooling naturally. They will get water. There is water on the way, but that's radiation right there. Is it going to be a meltdown or something? No, it's cooling down. It's just cooling down very badly. No cycling of water because we don't have any seawater being delivered here. That mistake is being changed now. This needs... actually, we can probably start with this. Oh, no. Okay. So it doesn't have any water. It needs water. I wanted to start cycling the water here, which technically they will. Like, there's steam here. Now, when the seawater is delivered, all this steam will be emptied. There we go. Water is coming in. Okay, can we start now? Looks like it's working now, but the steam is still not being put out of here. It will. They're still waiting for seawater to arrive. Seawater is coming in. There we go. It's working. So all of this is now going to be cycling water. Priority input is here. That will be the cooling tower. That's going to be recycling. Ooh, that doesn't look good again. Yeah, just water needs to fill the pipes. That's the problem here. Oh my god. This is not filling me with confidence. What the hell is this? This is the... Oh, that's the water pipe. Yeah, so I don't have any supply of water here. That's a problem because I connected this water directly from here into my water system. That's not how it's supposed to work. Okay, so we will have a little bit of a thing here and remove you. Come on, remove you. Perfect. That looks fugly. This needs to be removed as well. Okay. That's totally removable. Well, it is what it is. Okay, so from here... How big is the pipe? 4 wide. Okay, that's a big pipe. Here. And then I'm gonna go here as well. I don't know why this is 4 big, but this and this. There we go. So we need the priority output here, definitely. This is refilling the water for the reactor. Reactor is overheating. Boom! It's ever so slowly filling the reactor because now it's self-sufficient. I think they're gonna still deliver some water because it's ordered from before, but this is now self-sufficient fully. So one by one I'm gonna put them online. This is gonna produce more electricity, hopefully more electricity than we need, oh my god. Why is this full? Why is everything full of salt? Well, this needs to be taken away. That's not ideal. Okay, we have some overproduction of salt. Okay, let's see, the salt production. That would be you. This is producing also water. Salt, water. Please don't deliver any salt here. What do I do with salt? Oh god. The opposite problem. Did I overcorrect overall? Maybe I did. Okay, what do I do? How do I stop the salt production? Salt production, this one is stopped. Salt production here, but this is gonna stop water production. Actually, we don't care about this because Because we're gonna have more water from this breeder reactor. I hope that this is going to be enough, but they really need to... Son of a gun, where is my breeder reactor? They need to take this salt out. Oh, actually, no they don't, because we do have overflow. This is the overflow of the brine. Priority is to make more salt, but we have overflow of brine going in this direction, so... well, yeah, we have low pressure. Yeah. This just needs to go there. That should be fine. Don't worry. Don't worry. Fear not. Okay, that's it. This is now the seawater is being delivered. Yeah, this is gonna be just for a few moments acting like this. I wanted to use Unity to build this, but this is gonna be expensive to put more reactors into production, into operation. So this is... seriously? Oh yeah, 500 purple parts. Yeah, that's gonna be that's gonna be long. Yeah, I'm happy with this. This is did I show you the did we start delivering steel? No, we're still making a train, right? Yeah, we're still building this train. We can actually build it. I think I want to. Steel is delivered, that's fine. Yeah, sure, let's go for it. Let's put... Yeah, this was the promise from the beginning, but I'm used to breaking promises, so, you know. Screw you guys, I'm going home. Okay, gold is low. Well, that shouldn't be the case. Let's see what's happening with the gold. Gold storage is full, gold processing is on and off. This one says it's working. Full output, it would be probably this. Waiting for products, that would be this. Full output, that shouldn't be the case. 1, 2, these two are less than 60, that should be not full. This is still being... here we go. Here we go. This is why this is not working. Now it's gonna start working more. That's gonna produce more gold, but we have a lot of gold, so that's not that big of a deal. So once I move the filtration systems, well, not filtration system, this will be the scrubber. Yeah, this filtration system stays. This scrubber here and these pipes will have more space, but it's just calculations that I'm gonna have to do with. Like, I don't mind having scrubbers here, absolutely anywhere here, not a problem, because all these sulfurs and stuff can easily be delivered and taken away, all that good stuff. The problem is centralized production or processing of pollution. Why is this a problem? Because the steel mills stop. They stop at one point. Same with the copper as well. So they just stop, and then you have to deal with the, you know, luckily you will have less productivity of your scrubbers, which is, you know, less pollution. Yay, I guess. But then you get like, oh, okay, so what is our actual capacity? How much do I need to install this? Can I balance this out somehow? And that's always going to be a problem. I'm thinking about a big, similar like water supply. It's being consumed somewhere, used somewhere, consumed somewhere, used somewhere. So I'm thinking about putting scrubbers next to copper, but then connecting everything else that is delivering pollution here, like, I don't know, coal power plants. And are these guys working? Not really. I should be shutting these off. I think I will. I think I'm gonna do this. Let's shut all of these guys off. Like this. Just do it. Oh. There we go. Shutting all the coal power production here. This is my balancing. And leave it... Whoa. Why is this not spinning? Idle. Why is it idle? Do you have balancing on? No, they don't. Is it just not needed and that's it? Yeah, looks like that's it. But they're working at... Oh, okay. Can I then balance you? The problem, again, I know what the problem here is. The problem is water production, steam production. I'm pretty sure... No, steam always needs to go somewhere. So how does this... I don't know. I need to... Whoa. Pause for a cause. Oh yeah, this is the problem. Okay, so he is still blocking the rails. That's fine, not a lot. I just noticed this. That's good. How can I make a good parking space for this train? So... for now, I'm gonna do it like this. Let's do it like this and then build it. But I will be removing this. Yeah, I thought this is gonna be long enough for the trains to park here. Obviously not. I think I'm gonna have to push this further. But I'm thinking spinning this in this direction. Is this long enough? Let me see. Maybe I'm just gonna leave it. We'll see. We'll see how he's gonna deal with moving forward. How he's gonna cope with that. This is bad. I need to build a storage right next to it. This is what... oh, that's like a glove. It actually fits perfect. I'm gonna leave. I'm so gonna leave this like this. Yeah, I'm happy with this. We'll see how he's gonna deliver this. Obviously, apparently these trains should be fast enough. Look at this. This is not gonna fill the train. They're gonna have to wait for the stations to be filled. So this is not ideal. If I build a big storage here, then they can be filled, you know, ever so slowly with the... as we wait for the train to return, but this is not it. And also this station, I'm not happy about it, the train blocking this here. So what I need to think about, how does the train do this? So this is the how do I make my train do this? And this is the point, this like this. I cannot do it, but I'm just gonna measure this just for a good measure. I'm gonna put these stations, I can do it like this. I think this is it. Like this. And then I need this much rail after that. After that, it's gonna need this much rail. Oh, that looks very long, so... Well, luckily there's no city here, but other than that... this is... Oh, it will be city here. I can spin the rails. Oh, I need to just make sure that it's the same length. Okay, now you're saying that you still have a problem finding the destination. I have a feeling it's this. Cannot find path. But because it's not giving me blue path, I'm just gonna assume that this is the case. Let me see if this is gonna... Oh, 1 square. 1 square. Boom, that's it. So even this needs a 1 more square. Okay, that's perfect. So at least we know what we're dealing with. So obviously this part here is going to have to be here. And then this part needs to be this long. Unfortunately, this long is not possible. So I'm thinking... okay, so if I go here... something like this. Oh, I have vehicles going and delivering stuff for the offices there. Yeah, sure. Okay, so if this is the distance, let me see how much distance is this. This is telling me that it's 39, whatever that means. 39. I'll do 40 just to be on rounding numbers. So if I do it here and remove this, so 40 long, 40 foot. Okay. I hope that this means 40 long. I have my doubts though. Doesn't matter. If it's not, it's gonna be a great lesson to learn. Build this. This electrification, it's fine. And then let's do this right. Even though this is probably nothing here is permanent. But something like this. And then I need this. And what speed do I want this? Working on, I guess this, and this. Perfect. Here we go. And fill this up. And do we have enough unity for all of this? We have. This is now not the thing anymore. Go away, go away. And this train here, is line 24. We can even put a steel sign on it. Steel, boom. And then instead of this, let's see if we can add a stop here and then load everything. Empty, yeah, empty. And then this needs to be removed, and then I'm just gonna put here full. So they're coming here now. This is where you're loading, and then this is being removed. Okay, I might, not might, I have to, I think. Oh no, not the pipe. Wesley pipes. Get back. Okay, and then you. Shoot. I think this is autosave causing me some problems. Okay, remove you. And you. And of course, yes, the railroad. Because when you remove the station, you lose everything. This needs to be dual directional, and boom. There we go. That should have enough space for the train to start loading and finish loading. We'll see about finishing loading, because this might be tricking us, but we'll see when it comes back. And ta-da! I think I kept my promise, I guess, I hope, of delivering the first... Oh, here we go. They're coming in. Let's see how this is gonna look like. Here we go. Oh, build. Oh. Unload steel. Why is it not... I thought it's gonna automatically recognize it. Unload steel. Ah, there we go. Like a glove. Even if he doesn't unload everything, that's perfectly fine. Let's speed this up. Coffee time for me. There we go. As promised. Second one can be wood, I think. Let's see. Steel is going to be needed for both of these. Yeah, the steel is important here. This needs to be wood and concrete. Wood, like I said, is going to be directly from the forest. Whoa, they already finished the first segment here. Perfectly happy about that. The concrete is going to be a tricky one because I'm going to have to deal with the concrete from here somehow. Where the station is going to be, I don't know. We'll have to find a new track. I'm thinking about potentially making parallel track to this, so something like this on this side of the railroad, and then having a connection from here, not like here, or maybe even like this one here. But this is cool. A lot of tracks. It's gonna look nice, I think. It's gonna be fine. The band's gonna make it. Oh, we'll pause. Okay. Oh, what happened here? Come on, get more steel. I really want them... Yeah, I'm looking how fast they're loading the stations. Oh, when it's the station is connected, the amount here is actually the max amount. Whoa, sweet. Yeah, so this now acts like a whole station, at least the connection here. This, look at this, it's 3,492. I think plus this one would be another 492. Yeah. Oh no, we didn't. I didn't see how long it was. I think it's not long enough. I'll build longer just to be on a safe side, or I'll monitor it. It doesn't matter. I'll monitor it how it goes. It's gonna unload now, so yeah. When it's full, can you get the full speed? I know. It's way too long this episode. Sorry about that. Let me see the speeds. 50 kilometers per hour, 55, 60, that's 40 miles, 66. Anyway, that's it. That's it. I'm gonna do some upgrades now, and I'm kind of expecting, if I get the electronics back on track. Shit. Oh, output is full. Oh, okay, that's sweet. If I get the electronics back on track, which looks like we are, what's gonna happen now is we will start. We're gonna continue building boosters, and then boosters are going to be the next best thing, the next big thing. We're gonna have the. Oh shoot! This is very bad. I think it's distribution, but this is very, very bad. Please don't tell me that... what's the station? Oh, there's no crew. Maintenance is okay, but no crew. Yeah, we need the rockets. It's not disaster, but it's getting there. Anyway, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, press the like button. If you didn't, leave a nasty comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe, notification bell, ring it, comment section, hit it. And if you want to support the channel, have the description of the video. See you next one. Bye, bye.